In this video, I'll detail how to change Siri Voice on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to change your Siri Voice, then this video is going to show you how to do that step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do, when you want to change Siri Voice on your iPhone 12, is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on Siri or Siri and search, depending on your iOS. On iOS 18, tap Siri. iOS 17 or 15 or 16, click on Siri and search. Then once you click on that, scroll down here, then locate voices, click on voice. Then here you can just choose between American variety, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, and South Africa variety. And then under each of the variety, you have access to different voices. Then go ahead and select the voice you want to switch to, whether female voice or a male voice. Now let's say you want to go with the Australian voice or British voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun, as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Then after that, just click on use mobile data to download the British variety, and here you have options about the Siri voice. Then click on the Siri voice you want to choose to.
The colors of the sky fade.
The colors of the
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun, as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
So that, then just hit the back button once. Then hang on until the British voice you selected is downloaded. Then if you click on it again, you're gonna see it's downloading, and that's about 42, 58%, 85%. This Siri voice will take effect when downloaded. You can see the Siri voice is downloaded. Then if I now say, "Hey Siri," what's the time?
It's 9:26 a.m.
How's the weather today?
Expect rain today.
Would tomorrow be cloudy?
Yes,
Really?
it will be cloudy tomorrow.
Really? Okay, thank you. So that is it. So that is how you can easily change Siri voice on iPhone 12. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.